StreetNet is a very sophisticated mapping database. It covers 99% or over 99% of the population in Australia. It comes in 3 products: an advanced product, there's a routable product and a display.
We make StreetNet product as a conversion from multi-net files that we receive from product line management. Previous to their conversion, it goes through research, production, quality a few times. By the time we get it, we run a few more conversion processes, put it through quality again, and then export it to the customer. StreetNet build typically takes around 2 to 3 weeks from the GIS team's perspective, but prior to that, there's a lot of work that goes into getting it to the multi-net, so that can take anywhere up to 2 months.
The main technology that we use is open source, but we also make the proprietary formats that customers need.
We use Esri and MapInfo for viewing purposes, but the production mainly takes place in the open source. Technology changes have dramatically increased the speed at which we can build StreetNet and the turnaround time between releases. Previously, we had used an ArcInfo license, which was mainly terminal-based and very slow and clunky. Since moving to a database and open source, it's improved usability and increased the speed.
The StreetNet has a range of skills. There's project managers, there's data analysts, GIS technicians, and quality assurance people.
There's many people involved in creating StreetNet. It starts off in the production team, actually integrating the roads, doing quality checks. From there it'll go to the quality team to do change analysis and more quality steps. From there the product's released to PLM, who will convert it for the customer for use in other products. And we get it from PLM to run our conversions to create StreetNet.
People are involved in creating StreetNet. The GIS team makes the StreetNet product, but we liaise with a lot of other teams, GIS technicians, researchers, the PLM team, the quality assurance team. They all contribute towards making StreetNet.
In my role, there's not really a typical day. It's variable every day, and that's part of the reason I enjoy it. Just something new and interesting every day.
My role at Census involves building the asset products, obviously, and also developing products specifically for customers. So there's no such thing really as a typical day for me. We do some standard products, which are the asset products I've described. And we also build products specifically for customers. The best part of my job is probably the customization process, which is tailoring products for the customers. I enjoy that one.
A typical day for me can vary a lot actually, depending on what products are due. If there's any customer requests or any special projects we're working on, it keeps things interesting.
If StreetNet's a famous person, I'd have to say it would be David Attenborough, because it's reliable and accurate and trustworthy.
If StreetNet was a famous actor, it would be, I would say, someone versatile like Johnny Depp. I think StreetNet works well on its own, but it's also good with the other asset products.
If StreetNet was a famous person, it would be Meryl Streep, because she's adaptable.